You know, and a report came, and it's something really important to know. If you have case problems, something that's mistaken or something, you know, you should try to clear it up with USCIS directly, with the officers maybe. Maybe contact a congressperson. Sometimes people then next route is going to lawsuit. But with USCIS, there's a group called the Ombudsman, Ombudsmen, and their group is kind of separate, but it's to help with issues that pop up, to clear any problems that pop up with USCIS, to try to solve it. If there's some sort of things, a case is stalled, the document's not being corrected, a case is mistakenly denied, and they try to help out. And they're a great agency. They came out with a report, and the report is 120 pages. I'm going to do a full analysis of it pretty soon. I have a podcast. The analysis will be more sophisticated. It's going to be for immigration lawyers analyzing case kind of stuff. But when I was reading it, preparing for that podcast that I'm going to be doing, I saw some interesting stuff they mentioned in there. For example, it was a gentleman who had advanced parole. They had a green card case pending. They traveled with a travel document called advanced parole, and they lost it when they were in India. And they didn't know what to do. They contacted the Ombudsman. Ombudsman worked to fix it with the Department of State to issue a travel document. So it's interesting. You learn a lot from that. Or as somebody who had filed the perm-based EB-3, this is a work-based, employment-based green card, and the first one was an error by the attorney, so it was denied. And the second one they resubmitted. They resubmitted the old labor cert or whatever they call it, and USCIS denied it, saying you can't submit the old one, you have to get a new one. And Ombudsman said no, the regulations say you could submit an expired one, it's okay. But the short end of it is, the Ombudsman is a program that helps, which you could just do if you want to reach them. Go to Google, type in Ombudsman, USCIS. Follow the first website, that's, it's their website for sure, the .gov website, and go through the steps they have to try to contact them. Now again, you should try to maybe contact attorneys, see what your issue is. It's not like just a mistake you're making. Try to contact the office if you can, maybe a congressperson, but sometimes there's timetable issues, so you gotta get done quickly. Try contacting them. They are a last resort, but it could be a good resort in some cases. So I wanted to share that information with you. That's one of the tools we have in our toolbox to try to deal with immigration problems that happen that are not your problem. So I just wanted to share that with you all.